Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel Dr. Asmani's Glam and Gorgeous. So today I'm going to discuss few things about the current hot topic, that is the coronavirus infection and the skin care to be taken during the COVID-19 infection. So as we have all seen during the corona outbreak, it is a very important need to wash our hands frequently, either with soap water or with a sanitizer. So many patients or my relatives have been asking me whether we should use soap water or a sanitizer. So I would tell them to use soap water as frequently as possible, and whenever they are at home or whenever they have an access to soap and water. If you are outside, then it's better to use a sanitizer. However, I'll discuss all this in another video, whether it's better to use soap water or sanitizer. However, the topic is that during the COVID-19 infection, the skin is getting affected a lot, especially the skin of our hands or palms. That is due to frequently hand washing with soap water or even the use of sanitizer. What happens is when you use a sanitizer or even soap water, it dries our hands or the skin over our palms a lot. So there is excessive dryness of hands over the skin and even over the palm area. So basically, due to frequently hand washing, what happens is it may cause a lot of dryness, itching, redness and irritation on our skin over our hands and palms. And basically in some people, it may lead to even erythema or even kind of a dermatitis or eczema. So what you can do is to prevent all these kind of skin infections, what you can do is you can apply after washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 to 30 seconds. After you are done with your lunch or your dinner, what you can do is apply a thick layer of moisturizer over your hands. Apply a thick layer of a moisturizer basically over your hands. It should be a cream based moisturizer, not a gel based moisturizer. So this will protect your skin over your hands and it will prevent the dryness caused due to the frequent hand washing. Also at night before sleeping, don't forget to use a nice hand serum or basically a moisturizer which is a hand moisturizer, basically not a body moisturizer. Hand moisturizers basically have a more content or have a more moisturizing content in them. So they'll protect the skin over the hands to a great extent and it will form a thick layer over your hands. So basically before sleeping you can apply this thick layer of moisturizer and keep it overnight so that it will keep your hands soft and it will also protect your skin over your hands. Basically, the second thing you can do is before sleeping, you can either apply coconut oil, which is a natural way of protecting your hands over your skin, or even you can apply olive oil. These both will keep your hands soft and prevent the dryness over your hands and prevent any kind of infections. It may also help in prevent bacterial infections and keeping your hands soft and keeping your hands over your palms soft. So basically you can do this kind of things, but don't apply a layer of moisturizer and then what you can do is before sleeping you can apply a layer of moisturizer and then go to sleep, but don't apply sanitizer and then immediately apply the moisturizer. What you can do is before sleeping just apply a nice hand serum, let it get absorbed in your hands and then you can keep it overnight. Now the second thing what you can do is before sleeping you can wear what you can do is before sleeping you can wear a pair of cotton gloves and sleep overnight with the gloves on, but don't apply the moisturizer just before wearing the gloves. You can wear the gloves on over the dry hands and then go to sleep. These will protect your skin over your hands to a great extent and will also prevent outside infective bacteria from attacking your hands. So wear a pair of cotton gloves, don't go for synthetic ones, wear a pair of cotton gloves overnight and go to sleep. One more thing what you can do is basically during the coronavirus infection, as the bacteria may thrive under your nails, so keep your nails short, don't grow your nails, don't have long nails as the bacteria may thrive under your nails. So keep your nails short, file your nails at regular intervals, and if at all you want to have long nails, then what you can do is wash your hands thoroughly, and while washing your hands, what you can do is you can use a toothbrush and under your nails also rub your nails, rub the cover under your nails with a toothbrush with soap and water thoroughly. So it will prevent the thriving of bacteria under your nails. So you can do this to prevent infection inside your nails. Also, another thing is you can keep your nails in olive oil. Just dip your nails in a bowl of olive oil. So this will also keep your nails soft and prevent any kind of infection. Now, one more thing you can do is basically during the corona period, the immunity, overall immunity, the general immunity of the person goes down to a great extent. So you can take some. So friends, basically keep your nails also healthy. And another thing what you can do is basically the immunity goes down during this period a lot. So what you can do is you can either take protein rich and vitamin rich food that is natural through your diet, or you can take protein supplements. Another thing which is very useful which you should do is you have to take vitamin C. Take 2 vitamin C tablets of 1000 mg each in the morning with a glass of water. This will keep your immunity intact. It will boost your immunity, and it will also keep your skin and your hair healthy. So don't forget to take vitamin C tablets, 2 tablets of 1000 mg each during the daytime or in the morning with a glass of water. Another natural concoction which I would suggest you to boost your immunity is a mixture of herbs, that is tulsi, cloves, black pepper and turmeric, that is haldi. So mix all these contents together in hot water and take a glass of this every morning. This will boost your immunity to a great extent, and they will act also as stimulants. So they'll keep your weight maintained also. So friends, all these are simple steps which you should take during the corona infection to prevent the infection, and also to boost your immunity and keep yourself protected, and also keep your skin healthy and glowing, and keep yourself away from this infection. You should take your skin care seriously and also follow it religiously. And the sanitizer use also should be judicious. Do not use it, there should not be extra unneeded use of the sanitizers. Only when you're outside, only when you need it, you should use it. Otherwise, go for soap water. Basically, soap contains certain ingredients which will help you prevent against the corona infection. So friends, do follow these steps, and I'll meet you again with another video. Till then, keep hooked to my channel, Dr. Asmani's Glam and Gorgeous. See you in the next video. Thank you.